The VA10-2850c form is also known as the Application for Associated Health Occupations. The application is used to provide information for the Department of Veterans Affairs that will measure your eligibility for employment in the Veterans Health Administration. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of the VA10-2850c application form that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. The application consists of 4 pages and 10 separate blocks. The VA10-2850c form may seem complicated, but smart fillable fields provided by pdfFiller make the completion process simpler and faster. In the introductory section, check the occupation you are applying for, or specify it in the Other field, and indicate your personal data such as name, address, date, place of birth, citizenship, and so on. Go through the other form blocks and enable the Wizard mode from the top toolbar. It will give you helpful tips for providing details about your active military duty, licensure, liability insurance, qualifications, professional experience, general information, and references. Please note that Part 3 must be completed by the facility director, so leave all the checkboxes and fields empty. If you want to check the fulfillment of every required field, open the Fields to Fill In toolbar under the Done button. Once every field has been completed and checked off, check the boxes in the Authorization for Release of Information section so that the Department of Veterans Affairs will be able to verify the information you provided. After that, date and sign your VA10-2850c form directly in the pdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you'd like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.